Samsung's Galaxy S series is always one of the most anticipated smartphone release year after year. Following a modest upgrade with the S9 series, 2019's Galaxy S10 lineup shook things up with all new Infinity O design for the display, triple rear cameras and even a third budget model. In the coming months, it will be time for Samsung to take the wrap off of the Samsung Galaxy S11. The S11 has big shoes to fill, but knowing Samsung, it will be up to the task. So hey folks, this is Samir and here is everything you need to know about the Samsung Galaxy S11 series. Excited? So let's get started. Let's start with the design. In regards to the S11's design, it's shaping up to be a modest change compared to the S10. November 22 brought us the first CAD renders of the upcoming phone, showcasing the device in all of its glory. The display once again has a hole punch cutout for the front-facing camera, but this time it's centered at the top of the screen, similar to what we saw on the Note 10. The edges of the screen are also curved, but it's possible that Samsung will keep a flat display around for Samsung Galaxy S11e, just like it did with the S10e. Around the back, Samsung changed up the rear camera housing quite a bit. Instead of a horizontal bump in the top center of the phone, we now have a chunky vertical one towards far left side. The S11 appears to have 5 camera sensors, indicating that Samsung's ready to up its photography game. The CAD renders also reinforces that 6.7-inch screen size that was previously mentioned. Then on November 26, we got our first good look at the larger Galaxy S11 Plus. It appears to share the regular S11's curved hole punch display, but the camera bump is quite a bit larger, consisting of 5 individual camera sensors. It's bounded to be an impressive photography tool, but there is no getting around how polarizing this design is. Moving towards these specifications, right off the bat, there are few assumptions we can make about the S11 spec. There will be an AMOLED display. It will be powered by Qualcomm's next generation processor, that is the Snapdragon 865, and there will be at least 6GB of RAM. In regards to S11 specs, the rumor mills has been talking non-stop about the S11's new camera. On November 4th, Samsung leaker Ice Universe shared that the phone has a higher possibility of offering a 108-megapixel camera for one of its sensors. Samsung officially unveiled its 108-megapixel ISOCELL Bright HMX sensor, and it only makes sense for the company to debut this on the first big flagship of the year. The Galaxy S11 is also set to support 5x optical zoom, along with being one of the first smartphones to support 8K video capture at 30fps. Samsung's One UI 2 beta includes a setting page for a 120Hz display, something we have yet to be seen from Samsung. While it's possible Samsung's holding this off for the Note 11, it seems more likely that the company would want to debut this feature on Galaxy S11. On the software side of things, Sam Mobile has reported that the Galaxy S11 will ship with Android 10 and One UI 2.1 out of the box. If we talk about the pricing and release date, smartphones tends to get more expensive with each year that passes, and that's probably to be the case for the Galaxy S11 series. An expected next year's headset is to be more expensive in some capacity. With the Note 10 Plus having a starting pricing of $1100 US, Samsung's made it evident that it's perfectly comfortable with $1000+ price tag. As for the release date, for the last 2 years, Samsung's announced its Galaxy S phones in late February right before MWC. The Galaxy S10 was revealed on February 20 and the S9 had it unveiling on February 25. With no reason to believe that Samsung is changing anything for the S11, it's safe to say we will once again get a February announcement with pre-orders opening up shortly after. This was also confirmed by Evan Blass, with him indicating that we will see the traditional mid to late February launch. So guys, are you excited for the Galaxy S11 series? Do let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. And for more future videos like this, do consider subscribing and hit the bell icon so that you never miss any future videos from Extreme Droid. So this is Samir signing off and I'll see you guys in my next one.